Hey friends, I have a real life example of how chaos can happen unexpectedly and the way that ADHD it has the potential to absolutely turn things worse, or it can be an absolute benefit. So let me give you a little tour here. Last night, this happened. Yes, that is my couch. It is upside down. Well, it's on its side because right here. Oh, and this is my pup here. That one's Lilu, one of them. Right there, though, one of the legs has been wobbly for a while. And we've actually had a repair guy, come out to take a look at it from the couch company. And they're like, oh no, it's it's fine. It's just a little loose. But I fixed it. He didn't fix it. He actually didn't do anything now that I've gotten in there. But last night the leg totally broke. It actually straight up fell out of the couch. And that could have been a huge moment of panic. That could have set everything off. But here's where ADHD came to the rescue. I've done a lot of projects before. I have done a lot of things a lot of times. And as a result, I know how to do a lot of things. Even if it comes from a hobby graveyard, those skills have built up. The ability to handle things in a crisis, it's all there. So instead of worrying, oh no, what am I gonna do about this couch? The couch is done. Like, no, not a problem. First thing was get the books to support the couch so it didn't break more. Next thing was knowing I might not know how to build a couch, but I definitely know what couches are made out of. I know how to put things together and take them apart. So get in there and see what was going on. Take some staples out, see what was going on. Basically, the problem was the hole was too big. Well, I know how to plug a wood hole. I've got stuff to do that. And all I had to do was make the hole the perfect size. I had other projects that I'd done. Ooh, I've got wood scraps. I was able to have the perfect plug. Filled that in. Now all I have to do is re-drill the hole, put the furniture bolt back in, and this couch is gonna be better than when we got it, apparently. I also have a new stapler to use because the stapler that I had was like 20 years old, and I've got a little bit of arthritis in my wrist, and if I do more than 2 staples with it, guys, I'm in my 30s, don't be like, oh, what's he got with arthritis in his wrist? It's an old injury. I broke it when I was in my 20s, like really badly. Things happen. It catches up with you. But because I was able to break it down into its smaller pieces and be like, wait, I have the tools to do this. I have these smaller skills to put all this together. I know where these things are. It's great. And there is no panic because ADHD loves chaos. It just kicks into gear and it makes it fun. So this has been sitting overnight. It's all glued up now. And now all I have to do is drill a hole, put the furniture bolt back in, and staple it back up. And this couch is as good as new. So all of these skills come together. It takes the panic out of it. This is just ADHD to the rescue. And of course, the panic and anxiety and everything could have been there. And if you are dealing with that and you want to learn how to bring it down and how to make it fun and tap into these skills and do everything that is already actually there for you and make this a resource, not a deficit, I mean, reach out to me. That's what I'm here to do for you. But I mean, this is a real life example. It happens to me too. Things go sideways, but I mean, no, better to show than tell, right? I'll talk to you soon.